In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel to monday.com in 25 with a step-by-step guide to make the process as seamless as possible. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to monday.com's homepage. If you're already logged into your account, you should see the dashboard as your landing page. This is your central hub where all your work starts. Make sure you're on the correct workspace where you want your new information to reside. Once you're situated on the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side where the menu is really the heartbeat of your monday.com navigation. Here, you'll find the option to highlight certain areas, making your navigation a breeze. Clicking on the highlighted section opens up a plethora of options, and from there, the next step is crucial. You'll need to click on Import Data, which is your gateway to bringing all that valuable data from Excel into monday.com. Now, this part of the interface is often overlooked because people tend to dive straight into their boards, but trust me, taking this route saves a lot of time. Once you've clicked on Import Data, your next move is to select the option that reads Import any Excel sheet to a new board. Think of it as setting the stage for your data to be displayed effectively. This step is essential as it preps your workspace to receive the incoming data and organize it in a fresh new board perfectly tailored to fit your workflow. Now comes the exciting part. You'll notice a prompt that says, "Click to browse." This allows you to navigate through your computer's files to select the exact Excel file you want to work with. It's pretty straightforward. Once you find your file, give it a click and it will begin the upload process. Following the upload, you'll be directed to a new page with the option that says, "Let's customize your new board." This is where you can get a little creative. Customizing your board enables you to define the structure that works best for your project. Whether it's categorizing tasks, setting priorities, or adding tags, this customization step helps you mold the data to fit your specific needs. In summary, importing data from Excel to monday.com is a simple yet powerful way to manage your projects. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth transition from your spreadsheet to an interactive workspace. Always double check each step if things don't go as planned, and make sure your data is correctly mapped during the customization process. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions in the comments below.